In front of me is TECNO Spark 20 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Begin by opening Devices Settings and tapping on My Phone at the top. Then hit device name over here. And finally type in whatever you want to. Like Sunny. Then choose OK in the pop-up. And wait! As you can see, after a couple of seconds, name of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!